How to return and refund in Cnfans. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can return and refund in Cnfans. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, head over to cnfans.com. After you're on your Cnfans, what you can actually do is, after you're here, head over to your account. There you will see my orders. Head over to my orders, and after you're on your orders, you'll be able to see all of your orders here. Now, if you are eligible for refund and you know return, you will get a refund button right around here on your product. So on your product, what you can do is you can tap on the refund or return option, and you will be able to do so. But there is a strict policy in CNFans about refund and return. The product that you bought must be in its original condition. If it's not used, if it's not if it's not been opened, I mean, if there are no clear signs of use, only then can it be returned and refunded. There is also a policy about partial refund. That is, if there are books or if there are games softwares which have clear signs of uses, that means that you'll only get partial or even no refunds. So yeah, keep that in mind. And also, if there is if the 30 days have been passed, you cannot return or refund. There is a 30 days limit window time period, so if it gets past that, you will not be able to refund or repay or return that product. So yeah, that is how you can return or refund your products in CN Fans. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.